Oh, you didn't get your compartment. You didn't get the compartment.
Michael's at the end.
Oh, you put everything in the front yard?
Everything's in the front yard. Fucking. I don't know.
Hey, Victor's van?
No.
Bumper to Jeep?
From end of house to end of house. And out to the curb.
I can't get it out though, man.
Okay.
It's mine.
Victor's called it. Remember, Victor called that Jeep.
I can't get it out. It's like stuck in it at all.
Okay. Look at the silence.
Come on, look harder, look harder.
What's harder mean?
Harder means look faster. Michael's at the. Michael got about a foot more before he's out of the boundary.
Got the blue one over there.
Nick's still okay. He's getting ready to go out. And he's out of the boundary at that thing. Not saying that there's not something there. I'm just saying
No hints.
that I had to tell him he was walking away. That's
Let's go ahead, hey.
too far, Daniel. Umba, get over here on the porch. Cheating! No cheating! These eggs are hidden tough. We don't tear down the landscape. Mike's cleaning house, you guys ought to know.
He's uprooting trees.
Now, whether he's got the money ones or not,
Why are you always helping Michael?
I said Mike. I didn't say nothing. Michael's way over there. Actually, Michael's cleaning house now. Michael's on fire, you guys should know. We've got to start giving some hints.
I got some in there already.
Oh, all right. But did you get them all?
You have no eggs?
Chicken Man. I'm going to tell you to go to Victor's.
Right out in the middle of the grass right there.
You guys are blind. Look, there. Turn around and look at the post lamp. Turn around and look at the post lamp on your side. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to get my coat on for this. Look at David's taking a break. What, you got so many?
How can I get this one?
That is not
a light bulb.
That's a light bulb.
Get out of here trying to take my light bulb.
Money and eggs.
They still get the bell one. They still want to get one right.
I see a lot they didn't get yet. Oh, who got that?
Nick.
Nick just took that one? Okay.
Almost knocked me over to get it.
Okay.
Wanted to take the light bulb out of the other one.
Everybody where you are.